Hello everyone. My name is Joshua Russell Balan from Philippine Best Training System Colleges. I graduated top 1 under the General Academics Grant and earned the Leadership and Best in Research Award. The Philippine Best Training System Colleges is best known for its integrated curriculum and offers courses from NKT until college. I am a class president of grade 12 cluster 3. Actually, the primary duty of a class president usually includes working with students to resolve problems, initiating class activities, and oversees the other class officers. My hobbies are reading, writing, listening to music, and silence. About my family, actually bata pa lang ako, hiwalay na yung mga magulang ko. At yung tatay ko, meron na ding bagong pamilya. Pero yung nanay ko, hindi siya sumuko. Ginawa niya ang lahat para maitaguyod kami ng kapatid ko. My mom is my role model. She inspires and motivates me to grow without any barriers. She also looked after me and supported me in every part of my life. Right from my childhood, she has been with me like my shadow. It had been with hurdles and difficulties, but she managed to cross them all. My inspiration to finish my study, of course, my family, because I want to give them a good life someday. The things that makes me happy, of course, my family and my friends, because they are the reason why I keep fighting. I believe that I have made many great achievements in my life. I received a few awards and prizes as a student, but my greatest achievement in life is undoubtedly being able to learn from my mistakes. My dream, of course, to be a registered nurse. Admit all. It is an online marketplace where you can see the list of universities or colleges that offers discounted tuition fees. Admit All can help me to have a discounted tuition fee for my desired school in the future. If you want to know more about Aaron, sign up now and become his Admit All buddy. Like their Facebook page at Aaron, your Admit All buddy. Thank you.